everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about dining area makeover. So you all can see how my wall is looking currently, and I'm using peel and stick off hooks in this part so that we don't need to drill anything on the walls, which is rental friendly here. So this is how my dining space is looking currently. Cleaning my dining table to just create a makeover look. Come, let's get into the video. So, the items which I'll be using to decorate my dining area. So these are the set of 2 baskets which I got on Amazon, and these photo frames I got this on IKEA, and this mirror I purchased in the Chumbak store. These candles I purchased on Meesho, and also this planter I purchased in the Meesho. Again, the tissue holder, I purchased this in the Meesho, and also the candle holder, I purchased this in the Meesho. Table runner and tablecloths, I purchased near my house, which is Venkateshwara Textiles. And these hot mats I purchased again offline near my house. So now let's decorate my dining area. hope you guys have liked my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, see you. Bye.